So we're at Kingston Lacy. This is the Rambling Rambler, Dave to his friends, saying thank you for liking, watching, sharing, ringing the bell. A special thank you to all those who have subscribed. We're going here through the Rhododendron Gardens. So if you haven't subscribed, perhaps before you get through the video, you might subscribe and make an old man quite happy. Beautiful rhododendrons here. And there's so many different varieties. We're going through where shortly you will be amazed. Most beautiful place this is. This is Kingston Lacy in Dorset. And just look at that vibrant orange over there. Can you see the vibrant orange in the middle? We'll perhaps go over and have a little look at that before we go on the walkway here. Just look at this. This is out of this world. Absolutely love it. I'm going to go up there and have a good look at that orange one, and then we'll go on the walkway through here. All colours you can imagine, rhododendron, and I think these are azaleas, not sure. But the different leaves to the rhododendrons. Rhododendrons are look a bit waxy and hard. These are very delicate leaves. I think they're azaleas, but clever people will tell me.
It's gravestones through that way.
Oh, so no, I'm just going down here to look at these orange ones. Then I'm going down along the walkway. Just look at these. Woo. Look at those flowers. There's a buzzy bee doing the rounds in there. Oh, that's a slightly different colour there, isn't it? Or is it my imagination? And the purple ones at the back. Well, beautiful reds through there. I think we'll go round and go along the path now. This is something else. I just love going through here. I'm always amazed that I shall put this up and there'll be 2 or 3 people look at it, and I'm utterly amazed that a video I put up of drones flying around has had nearly 800 views just in a couple of days. And these lovely pictures of nature don't get as many views. I find that rather amazing. More azalea over here. Oh my word. They're nice. Trying to think of the name of those. It'll come to me eventually. I have to think of an animal to remind me of what they are, and the animal's the one that can change its colour, and you'll tell me. But I would love to know what it is about this that people don't like compared to a city. People love cities. I get lots of people looking at cities. I keep saying, will somebody please tell me? I really want to know, because to me this beautiful, beautiful scenery beats any city. Don't get me wrong, I love cities. I really do like the built environment, but this takes the biscuit. It's absolutely beautiful. So I'd love to know why or what the problem is with the countryside. But there we are. I always say each to their own. Irene, oh, camellia, that's what they are. I have to think of chameleon. These are camellia. Come, camellia. Da dee dee dee. Da 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 dee dee dee. Come a camellia. Oh my word, look at these trees. Somebody's been decorating them with the flowers that have fallen off. Very nice. Oh, isn't that a nice arrangement? Look, they're all over the floor because the wind's blown them down, and then somebody has decorated the trees. Isn't that nice? Look, I think that is lovely. Yeah, chameleon and camellia, that's what they are. So here we go. Yes, they had some lashing winds not long ago here, so you can see lots of the flowers have been knocked off, so it's a great pity. And as you can see, yesterday we had a bit of a downpour, hence the padel. Little padels everywhere. Azalea and rhododendron. Lovely, lovely. Oh, here comes my lady. Here comes the sun. Do, 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 do. Here comes the sun. Red ones, pink ones, whatever. How lovely. Now that's what you call a tree. Look at that. Oh my word. That's in a lot of people's lives, hasn't it? People have come and gone, and that is still here. Isn't that incredible? Look at the girth of that.
Looks like a nose now.
It does from this angle. Looks like a tongue sticking out.
Yeah.
It does.
Isn't it beautiful though?
From this angle.
No.
Lovely camellia. Light pink one there. That's, oh, look at him. There it is. Oh dear, 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 dear. Sorry about that. Lovely white ones, but start with a pink bud by the looks of it. I know it's obvious, but yellow ones. There we are. Camellia and rhododendron. Well, bye for now. We've got to let this run through. And thank you for watching. This is Rambling Rambler. Dave to his friends, saying goodbye from Kingston Lacy in Dorset, United Kingdom. Bye for now.